Hello. This demo walks you through on how to update contacts between Salesforce and Datashopper using Klamp. Click on Create Klamp. Select the source app as Salesforce. Select the trigger event as Update Contact. Choose an account. Run a test to ensure the trigger is working correctly. Select the target app as Datashopper and the target event as Update Contact. Choose an account. To set up the trigger action, map the fields from Salesforce by choosing Select from Source. Once the mapping is done, click Complete. Click Save Klamp. Set your polling frequency and click Activate. That's it. You've created a workflow to update contact in Datashopper when an existing contact is updated in Salesforce. Ready to build more powerful automations? Head over to your Klamp dashboard and start connecting your apps today.